Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Dev with Excel. All right, so today we are solving exercise 1.11. Yes, 1.11. All right, it says display the statistics in an HTML table so that your application looks roughly like this. So when we take a closer look, we are going to see that the statistics here, it appears to be in a tabular form, right? That's obvious. Okay, so this is what we are expected to do. Okay, so let's go to our code and let's see how we can get this working. All right. So the first thing we need to do is we need to replace these p tags, right? We replace them to we replace them with some other tags. Also, we need to replace this div tag with other HTML tag. Since we are dealing with table and we've been able to use the statistic line component inside the statistics component here. So we come here, we change this div to table, and also we change this div to table. Let's run our code and see if that has any effect on this. Okay, the effect is not obvious yet. Then we come to statistic line. Since this statistic line is a component that returns the text and the value. Here is the text, here is the value. So we change this p tag to tr. Tr, it indicates the table row. Let's save this and see if that has any effects. It has an effect, but not what we are expecting. So let's also, inside every tr, there should be a td. That's the table data. So let's write a td here. And also let's close this part with td as well. Let's save this and see. Okay, that doesn't have much effect because we are expected to wrap the text property separately from the value property, meaning that this text property has to be its own table data on its own, and same goes for the value property. That means we are going to close this text property inside a separate td tag. So we bring this one out. Let's cut it out here. Then let's create another td here, and inside of it we simply replace the value property. Then let's save this and see if that works. Okay, this works fine. So let's click on good in 6 places. Let's click neutral twice and then bad once. So we can see that this works fine and our values are still the same given what we have in the instruction. All right. All right. Okay. So with this, we've come to the end of the code implementation for this exercise 1.11, and I believe this works fine. We've tested it. Okay, all right, with this, I'll say thanks for having me and see you in the next video. Bye.